I go first.
Alright guys, I'm G. This is my daughter Vesna.
That's
And we're gonna do the
Ellie.
one chip challenge. Well, I am. She's gonna do a different chip challenge.
Yeah, this is mine.
I'm gonna do this chip challenge, Pocky one chip challenge. Supposed to be like 2 million Scoville units. Carolina Reaper. It's a man-made pepper from North Carolina, which is where I'm from. The Reaper is waiting.
The Reaper is ready.
Got a lot of heat and once it hits your stomach, so gonna try it. See how it tastes like. I got work tomorrow too, so
Oh, I thought you did it.
I got work tomorrow. I'm gonna eat this and I might regret it tomorrow morning, but it's probably gonna be worth it. Bless you.
Thank you. Every day I think that I have school.
Do you dare to go to hell and back?
What does that make you say I don't? I think it's
I got all kinds of things. You can buy this at pocky.com/one-chip-challenge. Alright, here it is. Fear the Reaper.
he might stop.
Here we go.
Can I start mine some, Daddy?
Well, I'm done with mine. You can do yours. Smells good.
Ew. It's spicy.
Has a good taste to it. You go and say.
I can't open the door. I don't want that chair.
Ah, now it's getting hot. Alright, I'm gonna drink some milk now. That's not helping.
That's my turn, Daddy. That is my turn. Daddy. Daddy.
Okay, do it.
Your turn, mine.
I thought it was gonna burn my stomach, but shit, it's burning my throat.
It is my song.
Alright. She's making my nose watery.
Now I tell it
My eyes
what
water.
it is, Daddy.
I ain't no joke.
I tell it what it is.
Yeah.
This is mashed potato chips.
Shit, I'm out of milk.
That smells good.
I think I accidentally touched my eye too. My left eye. Can't open my eyes. Oh shit, it's red. I think that beer earlier I drank didn't help, but my eye is killing me.
Can we go inside?
You can go inside.
But you're not. I'm not if you're not. Really, really spicy.
It is spicy. Very spicy. It's been about 5 minutes now.
Now we're gonna do the work.
Right, I'm done. I'm gonna go and get some more milk. Ugh.